In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in OhioHealth employee account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is simply go to the official sign-in interface of OhioHealth. For that, click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in this link. You'll be able to see the link over here. Make sure to type in all of this link and press enter. This link is pretty long, so you might have trouble typing it. So what you can do is simply type in OhioHealth employee login. Press enter. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Simply click on this link provided by OhioHealth itself. After you do that, you'll be led to the official sign-in interface of OhioHealth. Now you'll be led to the official sign-in interface of OhioHealth. From here, you'll be able to log in to your employee account. All you have to do is enter your OPID and password over here. Click on the field of OPID and enter the OPID. Now click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option. Click here to change your password and you'll be able to change it. After you do that, make sure to enter the correct password over here. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen and you'll be logged in to your account. So that is how you log in OhioHealth employee account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.